Journalism on 3, journalism on me. 1, 2, 3.
Journalism!
All right, so those were some of my journalism kiddos, and this is our first year having journalism at YMLA, so I'm really excited to teach this course. We have already done a lot. So if your students have never had me before, allow me to introduce myself. I've been teaching at YMLA for, I think, like 5 or 6 or 7 years, somewhere in there. I'm not really sure. But I graduated from Baylor University in 2001, and I majored in English. So writing, rhetoric, studying media, in addition to my own passion and my side hobby in photojournalism, has kind of merged my two loves in one course. So I'm super excited about this. In addition to merging my two loves into one course, I have my own 2 kiddos. Both of my kids have graduated from high school. One is in her junior year in college. So, and as you can see, I love capturing, as I think everyone loves capturing things, but journalism is not solely about capturing images, but it is also about our guys telling stories. And in the midst of them finding stories and reporting stories and being able to express themselves through media, they have some accountability that they're learning about now. So they've been learning about the ethics surrounding journalism, and we'll get into the history of it and more laws and just the standard practice. They will also be involved with creating their own code of ethics for this course, by which we will govern ourselves. And we have several journalism teams that will be doing different projects around campus. Everything they do in this course will be published, from our YMLA journal to the yearbook, to the publication of their images on social media and other platforms. So it is very important that they understand how to govern themselves in this course. So when they have access to games and events, they will not have to pay for those events. Anything they're covering here on campus, they will have permission to do so. So they'll have special passes, and they'll have interactions with staff that other students are not engaging in, that pertain to getting to talk to them and interview them and ask them questions and follow their stories throughout the year. So many opportunities for us to tell the YMLA story through this course that I'm excited about. So again, my name is Angel Smith. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'm going to ask that you leave them in this form, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you, again, any question, comments, or concerns about grades or anything like that, feel free to leave them in this form. And just so you know, the end of the 6 weeks is next 6 weeks. So so you want to make sure that your scholar is on point with not just this class, but every class. Most of the guys I have are upperclassmen. I only have one guy who's an underclassman, and he's doing a phenomenal job. But I generally just have juniors and seniors primarily in this course, and they're all doing very well. So it's nice meeting you guys, and I hope this was helpful.